So today we are trying to explain the algorithm of selection sort. So to explain selection sort in simple manner, this is an array present of the elements. So what in selection sort we do is first we compare this element at the index 0 with the smaller element present in this unsorted array. For example, we are comparing with each element present in this array and we get the position of this element as 11. So 11 will be present here. And then the remaining elements, that is 25, then 12, then 22. And this 64 will get swapped with the position of 11. 12 plus 64 here. So the work of 64 is done. Now this 11 that is given here, it is sorted. So we will not focus on 11 anymore. Then comes the index 1. It is for index 0. Then comes index 1. In index 1, we will compare 25 with the elements that is smaller than it. So for 25, the smaller elements are 22 and 12. But here 12 is smaller than 22. So what we will do is, so 11 will continue here. I am not writing it. So what here will happen is that 12 will come here and 25 will go here, followed by 22 and 64. So here also this 12 gets sorted. So we will not touch 12 here. Now we'll come for index 2. It was for index 1. Now for index 2, we will compare 25 and 22. So comparing 25 and 22, we get that 22 is smaller than 25. So again, the swapping will happen. I am not writing them here. So this 22 comes here and 25 gets here. So 5 comes here followed by 60. Now this is the same case that 22 also gets sorted and we will not touch 22. This was for index 3. Then we will compare 25 with 64. So it's already smaller. So no sorting happens here as the position is equal. So no sorting will happen. So the final element which we will get will become 11, then 12, 22, then 25, followed by 64. And this is the sorted array. So this was the algorithm for selection sort.